Hello guys, welcome to Surveying Solutions. So in today's tutorial we are going to show you how to use the Python console on QGIS to load raster data. So we go to plugins and then we see the Python console. So we have the window open. Now we have written a few codes here which we can just highlight, copy, and then come back and then paste it here. So what it will help us do is that it will help us load the raster data from this part, right? So we try to explain. It begins with a statement from the QGIS core by importing the raster layer, which imports the PyGIS classes required for handling raster data and project management within the QGIS environment. So we also have the path, that's the raster path. So the raster layer, that's the name we want to give it when we load it. Good. So this is a simple explanation of this particular code that we have written here. So let's come back here. We have loaded the code on the Python console, so we can just click on run command. So you can see that the QGIS, inside of the QGIS Python console, the raster data has been loaded using this code that we have written. So if you double click, you come to the properties, you are going to see that this particular part is what we defined here to be this, right? So basically we have shown you how to use QGIS, the Python console on QGIS, to load your raster data, and then going forward you can use this data to perform some analysis, which we are also going to get to. So until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.